today we're going to be making a rainbow surprise video. So this is a super fun activity you can do at home. This is something that I would have done at center time and put it out as just an independent activity. So parents will have to set it up, but then kids can kind of go crazy for half an hour, 45 minutes, however long it takes them. So these are the ingredients we'll need. Vinegar, baking soda, just regular old dish soap. Need a couple little cups of water. So I don't know if you can see that. I put probably a tablespoon of water, and then I put food coloring in it. The food coloring is important. And if I were doing this at home with your kids, I'd probably have like 6 of these with different colors in each of them. And I would lay them out on a baking tray, or if you didn't want to do that, you can do it on the floor, in the bathtub for easy cleanup, anywhere where you're okay getting a little messy. So yeah, with your tablespoon of water and food coloring, you're gonna put just some dish soap in there. And this will make the bubbles last longer. That's really the only point of it. So yeah, you pour it in there in your tablespoon of water, and then you're going to be putting baking soda in here. So you're just gonna scoop it out, and you're gonna fill the whole container. And hopefully all of the color that you put in will be covered up and you won't be able to see it. And that's what makes it a rainbow surprise. Okay, so I covered up all of the colors. If you'd like, you could, if you do multiples, you can switch them all around so you don't know what colors are there. And then I poured my vinegar in a cup onto the side. And this is just gonna be a scooping and pouring activity because I'm assuming a lot of people just don't have pipettes at home. If you do, you can use those. But I'm using multiple measuring spoons. I have a 1/4 teaspoon and a 1/2 teaspoon. You can use bigger ones, smaller ones, whatever size you want. So you'll scoop out your vinegar and start pouring it into your baking soda mixture. And as you can see right now, it's just white. But the more you scoop, or the bigger the scoop you have, the faster it will start turning colors. So it's not going to turn color yet, which is why it's a surprise. The more your kids do it, it eventually colors will come out. They'll pour all over the place. The dish soap in it is what makes the bubbles last a really, really long time. So it will come out and kind of look very smooth texture. I'm not gonna, here, we'll expedite the process here. Okay, so eventually it's gonna hit the soap and it's gonna pour out everywhere. I just did this like 10 minutes ago and it worked. So it doesn't look like it's working right now, but it will work for you. And if not, all you gotta do is just stick your finger in there and start having fun playing with the colors. Because you know, all kids need a sensory experience. So this is super easy cleanup because again, this is the second time I've done this because the first video was a big old fail. And all you gotta do is dump it in the sink and then wash it down the drain when you're done. Questions you can ask your kid or your child, sorry. What color do you think is gonna happen? What happens when the colors mix together? What does the texture feel like? What do you think is gonna happen next? What if we mix something else in it? If you have like peppermint extract, lemon extract, you can make it an extra sensory experience by adding those in. And then you can even try painting with this if you really wanted to. So it's a fun experiment that will last probably a little while for you. So hopefully I'll see you soon. Bye.